I always like to interact with young minds and happy to pass on our traditions and cultural values to the next generation through my sloka class. After my husband retired and my children grew up successfully in their own spheres, I had more time to explore my interests. That's how I started my own podcast of storytelling online and different genres and with the epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. Traveling on pilgrimages is my favorite, but it had an adverse side too. Frequent changes in weather conditions and water quality started giving me frequent dry and allergic coughs. Children coming to my class, they affectionately call me Auntie, but whenever my narrations get interrupted by dry allergic cough, they have the fun of calling My podcast session also needed a lot of editing because of my cough. Numerous trials with home remedies and other cough syrups had no effect on curing my problem. Many cough syrups caused drowsiness and gave only temporary relief. Last week, my husband reached out to his friend who is a medical doctor, and he suggested this unique, well-researched and complete herbal formulation for my problem. JRK's anti-cough. I understand it has a blood purifying effect and removes allergens from the body and provides relief from cough. Most importantly, it doesn't cause drowsiness, and it has a very palatable herbal taste which my granddaughter also likes.
Cough. No more cough because I take JRK's